Throughout the course, we're going to often refer to rotary and linear motion valves. Rotary motion valves are those that require only a quarter of a turn to operate, such as a butterfly valve, the one we're looking at now. We can see it is now fully open, and when it rotates back the other direction, it is now fully closed. So that is a butterfly valve. Rotary motion valves are also referred to as quarter turn valves because they only require a rotation of 90 degrees in order to move from the fully open to fully closed position. Another rotary motion valve design would be the ball valve. Again, now it is fully closed and now it is fully open. The big advantage with rotary motion valves is that they are very quick or fast to operate. You only need to turn them 90 degrees and then they are fully open or fully closed. The opposite of a rotary motion valve is a linear motion valve. Linear motion valves are multi-turn valves because they require multiple turns of the actuator in order to move from the fully open to fully closed position. For a needle valve, this is fine because each turn is proportional to the amount of flow going through the valve, and it's also sometimes slightly advantageous because, for example, if we look at a gate valve, when the gate valve gradually moves from the fully open to fully closed position, we are less likely to get water hammer because the valve is opened gradually, it's opened slowly. If we open the valve suddenly, then we're likely to get water hammer, or we could do, and that will damage downstream components. So examples of rotary motion valves would be the plug, butterfly and ball valves, and examples of linear motion valves would be the gate, globe and needle valves.